Kalong kasngi ka bakrau ha ka ba ha ka jo ka program on wan ban sakhi da ngut ki MLA Kaliang Persha ya ka jing penkop buram ya ki samla ki bala pendap ya ka jing pulie ne ka graduation ceremony jong ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College. Ya ka ni ka graduation ceremony jong usnam hadar pulai la pelong ha ka arpu sautrek nailar da ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College Student Union ha ka jinglam khmat u precious stars ten president ringkat bat kiwe ki dekat bat nongket kam ka union u kongsan u bawan sakhi bat penkop puram yakini ki samla udai u president ka voice of the people party VPP bat MLA ka nongkram u ba arden mila basayaman ha ka jingya dan lang u MLA North Shillong ba Adelbert Nongrum bat MLA Maulai Bright Starwell Marbanyang kom ki sembut kongsan laya don lang hakani ka graduation ceremony da kinong sha khot ngau bha ki bahayeng ki samla bala pendap ya ka degree ki head jong ki department nong hikai bat kinong trai ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College u kongsan ula IT ya ki sernot ki bala penbet penbiang da ka union sha ki samla pulie ki ba wan shakmat ne merit awards bat ka all round performance awards sha ki khatlai departments ha kani kasngi u kongsan bat sembut kongsan kila penlaj pajba ya ka college magazine u samla precious stars ten habakran pedang ula khublai ya ki samla ki basha penkop buram bat ula ang bakani ka jing penkop buram kemdai ban yanu jor bat ki we ki college namar bakani ka jingle jongki ka dai ka jing sedang bat ha ki sngi ki snam banwan kenla ban penhe bat penphu penpieng ya kani ka program ula ya thoru ya ki jing e ka college bat ki samla pulie kenthop ya ki jing tai bat ka jing suki ka jing thap kam assistant lecturers hadian ka jing shang that ki lecturers ula kentu ha ki ngut ki MLA Kaliang Persha banra ya kani ka jing e kani ka college ka barim tam bat ka dai tang maka ka college sarkar namar ba na ka por sha ka por la pensngau sha ka sarkar hendrai la shule kuman ya ki jing dawa ka union Uma Sawat lalu, head of the political science department, ulakren nakaliang ka college, katba ki kongsan bat sembut kongsan kila ai jingkran ai mensiam ki samla pulie, bantrai shitam banjab haka jingem pulie, bat ai kublai ru ya ki balasha penkop buram, la penkot ya ka program, da ka jing ai kublai na usamla wan salan lingdo, Secretary of Sports and Game, KNGCSU, board ka jing ot kiang bat ka jam session.
My best wishes to all the students who are still pursuing your education in this institution. We are all here to celebrate and felicitate your success. And I am very proud to be part of this program. I know that all of you are in a very jubilant mood. It is natural and expected for everyone to be overwhelmed with joy after one's hard work and effort. As the saying goes, as you sow, so you reap. So therefore, those who have put up good effort and hard work would obviously reap good harvest. However, this is not the end of the journey. It may be just another chapter as far as your academic career is concerned. In fact, there is no end in the search for knowledge. As Benjamin Franklin said, I quote, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." I know that some of you may not be in a position to proceed further. Some of you may not wish to hunt for more degrees and perhaps decided to search for a job. But whatever may be the case, Each one of you deserve appreciation for this achievement in life. I would also like to take this opportunity to profusely thank all the teachers of this college for the great sacrifices and contribution they have made for the success and good of the students. Without the teachers, none of you would be able to reach this stage that you are today. Their sacrifices, their hard work and patience have really made a huge difference in the performance of and the well-being of the student. I am sure they have been your guardian, your mentor, your guide, and your inspiration while you are here in this institution. So may God shower His blessing upon each one of them and their family members, so that they can continue to be the blessing for the community. Coming back to the students, I would like to tell all the pass-out students that from now on, you will be looked up by the other people with a great expectation. Remember that you have the responsibility on your shoulder. You may be aware of the fact that our society needs educated, responsible, and right-thinking people to be actively involved in community services. Therefore, let us create a sense of compassion towards the well-being of our people in addition to our duties, responsibilities, and personal work. I am telling you that the society requires your service if we are to take the state to its newer height. Whoever we may be, we all have the duty to do something, whether great or small, for the future of our beloved state and the coming